Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make steamed 3 colors egg. Yeah, so it's basically using 3 kinds of egg steamed together. So I have the normal 2 pieces. You can use 2 to 3. 2 pieces of egg here, normal chicken egg, and then I have half of salted egg and also half of century eggs. Yeah, this is actually the remaining. I got it from last night's yin choy tong. Yeah, and then a little bit of chopped chopped spring onion, and I'll be using chicken stock to dilute the egg later, so that you can have the jellyish effect. You can also use normal lukewarm water. Lukewarm meaning not too hot, not too cold. Yeah, lukewarm water. And you need a sieve like this to make your egg much smoother. And a little bit of seasoning, some salt, sugar, and I like to put some fish sauce into the chicken later. And let's start cooking. Now, first thing first is to get the water level right. Yeah, the mixture between the egg and the water. Of course, today I'm using the stock. So you want to get about 1 ratio of chicken to at least 1.5 times of the water to dilute. Okay, at least it can be between 1.5 to 2. Usually I'll use somewhere around 1.5. And so one trick will be, you want to use the same size of the bowl to crack your egg in, so that you can roughly estimate, or even better if you can use a measuring cup. All right. So after you break the egg here, I have about, this is slightly more than 1.2. Get ready a bigger bowl. Add in the water or your stock, and you can actually give it a little bit of seasoning. I'm using chicken stock, so you really no need to put in too much seasoning. It's a little bit of fish sauce, my favorite fish sauce, to give it some umami flavor. Optional, of course. A little bit of salt. Sorry, this is sugar. So by the way, all the sauce that I use, if you want to know where to buy them, I'll put the link inside the description. Then you want to very slowly mix everything up. Don't do it too harsh, because you try not to create too much bubble. The bubble is not going to help you to make the surface very even later. So you just want to very slowly, gently mix everything up until it is nicely diluted. Now, there are 2 ways as to how you can put in your century egg and salted egg. What I will be doing is, today I will actually add it right on top, so that it can be seen even clearer. You can also add in to the bottom of your steaming plate, so then on the surface you won't be able to see it. So it's really up to you how you want to do it. Right, so the next step is to, also very important, get a sieve like this. Yeah, and very slowly sieve through the egg. This is another way, another step to give you a very beautiful smooth egg. Right. If you see bubbles like that, you can actually very carefully take it out. Right? And the next step is you need to cover it now. the thing is, when you steam your egg, you cannot allow direct heat onto your egg. If not, your egg will not be smooth. So you need to get something. Usually I will use cling wrap, but many people hated Appa using cling wrap. They say, hey, you shouldn't, they all say you shouldn't steam plastic together with the food. So today I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use a plate to cover it like this. Okay, so let's go and prepare the steamer. So prepare a steamer, open it, wait until the steam is released, then only you very carefully put in the egg. Yeah, the steam is very, very hot. You can do it very slowly. Okay. And I cover it with a plate. Then I'm going to close the lid, but leaving a little bit of gap here. Tune down to medium heat and let it steam for approximately 8 minutes before I add in the eggs. Now, if you are not comfortable of adding the salted egg and century egg later, so what I would advise you is actually you can put the salted egg and also century egg right at the beginning, meaning put it at the bottom of the plate and steam it. Yeah, so that you won't be you won't need to really handle all this steam. It's actually a bit dangerous because the steam is actually quite hot. So later, about 8 minutes, we will continue. We will come back. So this is approximately 8 minutes under medium heat. I'm going to take out the plate very carefully. Take out this plate first. As you can see, super smooth. I better take it out. Put it to the side. And I'm going to put in the eggs here. Century egg. Like I said, this is more for the sake of this particular video. That's why I'm doing this. If not, it's better for you to put it at the bottom of the egg from the beginning. And this is the salted egg. I did not finish the egg white, just the salted egg yolk. And now, very carefully, I will put it back. Close the plate. I'm going to continue let it steam for approximately another 2 minutes. Yeah, so maximum steaming time should be somewhere between 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah, if you put the egg right at the beginning, so what you do is to steam it for total maximum 10 to 12 minutes and take it out. It's done. Right, this is after steaming. The total steaming time is approximately about 10-11 minutes under medium heat, and with leaving some gap, yeah, on the lid. We need to be a bit more patient, yeah? Let the steam goes away. I'm taking out the cover. Wow, beautiful. See how jellyish it becomes? Super jellyish and super smooth. Alright, let me adjust the angle for you a little bit. Okay, let me show you how jellyish is it. See? Beautiful. So what we can do here is I'll give it a little bit of garlic oil on top. Okay, and a little bit of light soya sauce here and there. Not too much because the salted egg is already salted. And then we have some spring onion, chopped. Alright, this is my steamed 3 eggs together. Very jelly-ish, very yummy. Yeah, my girl actually loves to eat steamed egg. She need to eat steamed egg every day, almost every day. Okay, so I hope you like my very simple video. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. My daughter always called this toing toing egg for the reason. See how toing toing it is.